In this video, we are going to talk about the examples of parallelogram. So let's begin. So the example is find the value of x and y for the given parallelogram, where you can see the parallelogram is given as A, B, C, D, and the sides are given as 5x plus 4, 5, 24, and 3y minus 1. In order to solve for the value of x and y, what we are going to do, we are going to consider the properties of the parallelogram. So as you know, the opposite sides of the parallelograms are congruent. So basically what we are saying that this side is congruent to this side. So what I'm going to write AB, side AB is congruent to side CD. In other words, we can say that if ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are congruent. So AB is equal to, or I should say side AB is congruent to side CD. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the length of side AB and CD. So I will write 5x plus 4 is equal to 24, because these two sides are equal and the sides are given as 5x plus 4 and 24. Now let's simplify further, and if we do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the numbers together. So I'm going to take this 4 to the other side, and there is only one way I can do, if I subtract 4 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So let's subtract 4 from both sides. And if I do that, I will write negative 4 on both sides. And on left hand side, 4 minus 4 is cancelling out because one is positive and the other one is negative. And on the right hand side, I have 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. And on the left side, I have only thing left is 5x. Now we need to find the value of x. So what I need to do, I need to get rid of this 5. So only one way I can do, if we divide both sides by 5. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And if I do that, I will write 5x over 5 is equal to 20 over 5. So if we do that, this 5 will be cancelled out. And only thing left on the left hand side is x, that is equal to 20 over 5, which is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4. Now let's consider side AD and BC. So as we know, this side is congruent to this side. So I'm going to write AD is congruent to side BC. And as you can see, AD is 3y minus 1. So I will write 3y minus 1 is equal to 5. In order to solve this, we need to take this 1 to the other side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 on both sides. So let's add 1 on both sides. And if we do that, this 1 will be cancelled out. And only thing left on the left hand side is 3y. That is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. We need to simplify further and find the value of y, and only way we can do if we get rid of 3, and only way we can do that if we divide both sides by 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So if I do that, this 3 will be cancelled out and I have y left on the left hand side. So I have y is equal to 6 over 3, which is 2. So my y is equal to 2. So my answer for this question is basically x is equal to 4 from here, like this value, and y is equal to 2. And this is how we will find the value of x and y for the given parallelogram.